Though it may seem inconsequential, the altitude rating of key products and components in a fountain dispense system is critical. Assuring that you have the proper equipment based on the elevation above sea level of an air-operated BIB system can be a huge factor in limiting system problems, unnecessary technician callbacks, potential waste, system downtime, and most importantly, unhappy system owners. For the most part, BIB syrup pumps and transfer valves are available for elevations from 0 to 3,000 feet above sea level and for elevations of 3,000 feet and higher. The equipment will look almost identical on the outside, but the information on the label will let you confirm you have the appropriate equipment. What can happen if the incorrect components are installed? If you have high-altitude equipment installed in a system below 3,000 feet, you'll experience premature tripping of auto shutoffs and transfer valves, resulting in significant syrup waste, up to a third of a bag. Conversely, if you have low-altitude equipment installed in a system above 3,000 feet, you'll experience syrup pumps that continue to run after the bags are empty, which means wasting the gas that drives those pumps while also causing unnecessary wear and tear on the pumps. Xylem's FlowJet brand of air-operated BIB syrup pumps and transfer valves are available in both altitude-related configurations. And of course, our team of experts are eager to answer any questions that will help you ensure your system is running properly no matter where it's located.